This is the highly portable bicolor Molus X100 COB light by Zhiyun. It's a fantastic little 100-watt light that I can easily recommend. I purchased it as part of a Pro package, which comes with a few more handy accessories such as the storage bag, grip battery, a mini reflector, pocket light strap, a Bowens mount adapter, and a mini softbox with interchangeable diffuser and a grid. It's a quirky light, but I really like it for its small size and high power output. Here are 5 things you need to know. When it comes to powering the light, there are 3 ways you can choose from: the grip battery, the included power cable, or USB-C from a charging brick or another battery. Be mindful that you will only get as much power output from the light as your battery or charging brick can provide. In my case, I have another 100-watt battery that can handle the Molus 100's needs. Here's the one and only thing I did not like, but can easily work around. The power cable does not charge the grip battery. It doesn't even charge the battery when you have it attached and the light connected to the power cable. You need to provide your own charging brick and USB-C cable. To turn this thing on, you need to press and hold the power button, then turn the brightness dial about 5 clicks until you see the display animation transform. When I first attached the battery, despite it showing 3 bars worth of charge, it kept shutting down immediately after the light turned on. I was worried it was defective until I realized it was all my fault. I had to do a full charge of the battery. After that, it was fine. Lesson learned, just charge your batteries to full the moment you get them. Once fully charged, I cranked the light to full blast and it died at exactly 30 minutes at 100% brightness. As always, your mileage may vary. Max brightness on this thing is very, very bright for a small studio setup. Keep in mind it gets really hot, so avoid letting your fingers slip and touch this heatsink. You will definitely want to let it cool before you pack it away. The dials on the side double as buttons for brightness and color temperature presets, so you don't have to go through all 100 levels of each. A couple of side notes, it does support app control and you can download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store by searching for ZY Vega. It's a nice clean app that does exactly what you need in a tidy layout. Also, I've seen some people get a little plastic cover for the LED. Unfortunately, my package did not include that. Bottom line, this is a powerful light with a small form factor that can fit in your pocket and be versatile enough for nearly any setting.